Let me show you how to set up and use Face Unlock on your Samsung Galaxy Tab S11, also S11 Ultra. First, let's go in the settings and then go to your lock screen. Lock screen, yeah, and biometrics over here and click face recognition. And also you have to actually set a secondary way how to unlock. So if you haven't already, let's set, for example, a PIN code. Okay, also you can choose, yeah, which stuff you want basically shown for notifications here. Okay, and next we just simply need to show our face to the camera of the tablet. So obviously rotate it, so like this, and we are obviously going to look in the camera basically to show our face. So let's click register here, and I have to simply position my face inside in this frame and also like twist it around in various ways so it can actually see you. Then let's try to actually unlock our tablet. So let's make it go to sleep. So you see, if I do not show it my face, it will, for example, ask a PIN code. But if I, for example, actually look at the camera lens, essentially, it automatically will like unlock it. Okay, so it went to sleep. So you see it's unlocked, and then I can swipe up essentially. So again, I will cover my face. As you see, it asks for a PIN code. But for example, if I show my face to it, as you see, it instantly pretty much unlocks it. Good luck.